not necessarily a gun for the grouse moor, the SX3 Flanagan. This is the holder of 3 records, this particular gun. This shot 12 cartridges in an incredible 1.442 seconds. It holds the record for shooting with Patrick Flanagan behind it rather than me. 11 hand-thrown clays in sequence and 9 clays from a trap shot from the hip. The SX3 Flanagan is based on our SX3, which is normally in England and the United Kingdom available in 3-shot, and makes a damn fine wild fowling gun, or a good gun to use on clay shooting.